Hello guys, I hope you're good, I hope you're great. Welcome to the channel, welcome to Making an Affiliate. I hope everything is fantastic. Two things today that I'm going to deal with or talk about. I tried to cash out these 20 rands here. You see, 20 rands at time. There is something that I saw which I don't know whether it's something that we need to, I don't think we should be worried about that. All right, let me just click and show you. Now you can see there I'm trying to redeem, and then it tells me that sorry, we ran out of stock, please choose another reward or try later. Now I don't know guys, what does that mean? Okay, I really don't know. I guess maybe one day I will know. I will check around guys, maybe there are people who understand this part. Okay, so I try to do that, but I will keep on voting, and maybe if I get to 100, okay, no, not 150, and then I will see whether I can be able to cash out, because I guess maybe it goes with the percentage, you know. And then I'm going to also talk about, you see this thing here on the top right over here, this red black 30 here, right? I'm going to talk about that. Then we're going to look at what exactly is that, because it speaks about speed limits and speed whatever. Yo, right guys, let's go in and see. There you go, earning speed limits. Okay, you may have noticed a speed limit sign displayed next to your wallet balance. I don't know whether when you look at this, a speed limit. Okay, so slow lane it's 10, and middle lane it's 30, and fast lane is 100. Now, so it means if you are on 10, it means you are at a slow lane. People are passing you, in other words. And then if you're in the middle, well, at least just like me, at least. And then if you are in a fast lane, I guess you are up there. Okay, you are passing everybody. Okay, but let's read and find out on what they say here, because I don't know whether I will understand everything that they say here. You know, you can ask them guys if there is something that doesn't just add up, or maybe you don't understand. Okay, it says account earning speed limits are dynamic and a free. Okay, and at freeway members are constantly changing lanes. Members can have a direct influence on which lane they drive in. Certain behaviors will allow you to speed up, and others will slow you down. So the way I see it guys, it looks like these speed limits, they are guiding you, right? Or maybe they are there to actually deal with you, if I may put it that way. As we know, when you are driving on the road, if there are speed limit, they are trying to control your speed. So also here, it is up to you how you take your speeds. Okay, in other words, your behaviors in the website, right, are going to determine your speed. Let's read on, and maybe you will get understanding the more we read. It says here, why are there earning speeds? Okay, ad freeway must be able to serve ads to our registered users and advertisers and advertiser audience at tens of thousands of websites or applications. If we can't do that, then we can't improve campaign performance, which finance the rewards that benefit our members. So guys, first of all, let me put a disclaimer. I'm not working for these guys. Okay, I'm just doing this for educational purposes. All right, so performance, so they say here, so it's clear that they are working. The reason why they are paying people airtime or anything like that, it's because of they are running ads on their website. That is why when you are voting, disliking, liking, there you see there are ads and everything like that. So those people who are putting their ads there, I guess they pay them and anything like that. So now they say here, if we can't do that, okay, so if they don't run ads and they don't run campaigns, they don't do all these things, they won't be able to pay us. I guess that is why they said they don't have stock, maybe because advertisers, maybe are not there, or maybe perhaps it's your speed limit that you are in. Okay, anyway, let's continue. It says earning speed limits ensure that the ad freeway members who allow us to serve them ads across the entire internet and who vote to contribute the most to our community are rewarded appropriately. Fast lane members also get the access and enjoyable additional benefits not available to members in other lanes. It pays to live life in the fast lane. Hi guys, you can read that and think about that when you are on your own, because I can't think everything here. How can I increase my earning speed? Okay, I think this is important, right? They say here, put simply, we need to be able to see or recognize your identity. Oh, okay, so your identity must be recognized. They must be able to see you. They must be able to not see you, but your identity must be recognized, as they say, and serve ads to you when you are using the internet. All right. If you hide your identity, use manufactured identities. Or okay, if you are trying to be a fraud, not a fraud, but you are trying to use somebody's identity, or maybe you are manufacturing a identity, all right, they say use ad blockers. Okay, ad blockers, those browsers, for example, if you are using, what is that, I think it's Brave. If you are using that and you have blocked the ads and everything like that, so that is one of the things that they don't actually like it. Now disable trackers. Okay, browse in incognito modes. Now incognito modes, you see guys, when you go to YouTube, there is a when you click on when you click your channel, there is that thing that says incognito, right? When you click that thing, your identity is going to be hidden. In other words, even your profile picture is going to be hidden. I think a lot of things are going to be hidden. Okay, and if you are like that here on this side, they say it's not happening. Run machine instances, proxies, or a VPN. You are likely to be demoted to a lower earning levels. Okay, so in other words, if you are using all these things that I have read here, right, they say you will be demoted. So in other words, you must be visible. You must not use some blocking ads, whatever, and everything like that. And also, you must not use a VPN. All right. So if you use those things, they demote you to the lower level, maybe 30 or even 10. Okay. Now, I don't know when it comes to the earnings and also the payments, or if you want to cash out and everything, I don't know what will happen, but I don't think it will affect that. But it's going to be slow. Your earning will be very slow. All right. So they say here the domains, e.g. URLs and applications that we can see you at and advertise to you are important. Okay, so in other words, the reason why they need to see you or see your activities, okay, on your web or on whatever internet you are using, it is because they want to provide you adverts or ads that are going to be relevant to whatever that you are searching on. All right, so I guess that is it. Okay, once registered, these domains will be recorded against your account and your domain list will start to form. The quality or size of your list will affect your earning speed limit. Okay, so the more you in other words, the more you browse, the more you do all these things on the internet, they see you and they see where you are browsing and whatever, and the quality of the quality list of your you can read, guys. Okay, if we are unable to associate any domains or applications with your user ID, whether or not the user is registered, the user will be placed in slow lane, earning only 25% of total reward value. Time is a slow lane will further demote the user to amounts less than 25%. An account inactively may cause the account to be placed on hold or suspended. Your current speed will be displayed on your account page at the time of posting this notice. Okay guys, so that is it, I guess. So all right, I guess that the only thing that you can do for you to be on a high speed, it is if you don't use those things that they have mentioned, you know, your VPN, blocking ads, browsers and everything like that. And then because if you use that, they are going to demote you, they are going to put you in slower lanes. As you can see, I'm on 30 lane there. I've never been on 100, I don't know, but I'll keep on liking, keep on disliking, and maybe get to 50 there and see maybe what will happen, because I'm not sure on how exactly, especially this part here that I have opened before, this one, I don't know what's going on there, you know, and everything like that. But anyway, we will see guys on what. Anyway, let me do this. I will take a screenshot of this, I guess, and then I will ask them, you know, if I can ask them, at least I will find out maybe on what exactly that is. Okay, but it's clear, I think they say they don't have stock, or they don't have money to pay you, they don't have airtime to pay you. In other words, you must just keep on disliking and liking and keep on trying cashing out, and then maybe it will work. Okay, but I will try to ask them, and then we will see. They've got their email here. I will contact them, and then we will see guys on what they are saying. Okay, let me just copy this. All right, okay, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go and check it out yourself on whether you are experiencing the same thing. But I think if you are, it means maybe the time will come where we'll be able to actually cash out your airtime and stuff like that. Like the video, ladies and gentlemen, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new. Thank you for all the subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for your support. I love you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, and have a blessed day and a good and a wonderful and an awesome day, as I always close it. Straight.